Hi there, science fans! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of chemistry. Chemistry is like a giant puzzle, and the pieces of this puzzle are atoms and molecules. Atoms are super tiny particles that make up everything around us. They're so small that you can't even see them with a regular microscope. Molecules are formed when two or more atoms stick together. Think of it like building with Legos. Each Lego brick is like an atom, and when you put them together, you can build all sorts of cool stuff like molecules. So are you ready to learn more about these amazing building blocks? Let's go! Atoms are like tiny little balls of energy, and they come in different types called elements. Elements are like the basic ingredients in our universe. Some common elements are oxygen, which we breathe, and hydrogen, which is found in water. Now, when atoms of the same element stick together, they form molecules of that element. For example, two oxygen atoms combine to make an oxygen molecule, which we breathe. But here's the cool part. Atoms of different elements can also combine to form molecules of different substances. For instance, water is a molecule made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. To keep track of all these elements, scientists created a super helpful chart called the periodic table. It's like a giant map of all the known elements in the universe. Now that we know about atoms, molecules, and elements, let's see how they interact with each other. Hold on to your hats because things are about to get reactive. When we combine different substances, sometimes a chemical reaction happens. It's like a scientific magic show. During a chemical reaction, atoms rearrange themselves and form new molecules. Imagine baking a cake. You mix ingredients like flour, sugar, and eggs, and through baking, a delicious cake is formed. That's a chemical reaction in action. Chemical reactions are happening all around us, from the food we eat to the way our bodies work. They're what make our world so dynamic and exciting. Now that we've explored the wonders of chemical reactions, let's wrap up by understanding why chemistry is so important. Chemistry is like a secret code that unlocks the mysteries of our world. It helps us understand everything from the food we eat to the medicine we take. Think about it. Cooking is basically chemistry in the kitchen. When you bake a cake, the heat causes chemical reactions that transform the ingredients into a tasty treat. Chemistry also plays a vital role in medicine. Scientists use their knowledge of chemistry to develop new drugs and treatments that help us live healthier lives. Here's an exciting fact. Did you know that the air we breathe is a mixture of different gases, mostly nitrogen and oxygen? That's chemistry in action every time you take a breath. So, the next time you encounter something amazing, remember that chemistry is probably playing a part. Keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop learning about the wonders of science.